Hey YouTubers, how's it going? Mike Martin's here, Mike Martin's channel. I spent the entire day landscaping, cutting, cleaning, organizing. Real first week of warm spring weather. And I put up all my Noma Moon rays this morning. Well, most of the day I spent organizing, doing the backyard. There's my front of the house. There's my Nomas. I like that, people. Up there on the upper balcony outside where we sit and eat breakfast, facing the mountains over there. And look at that, baby, look at that. Let's go around the back. There should be more on the back. I don't know how hard the sun was okay, here we go. There's a good strong fence here. You know, it doesn't take a lot of money to prep out a house for nighttime, or to give it that glow at night. Let's check the back. There's the shed. Shed has one. Oh yeah, they are there. Oh yeah. Grass is nice, freshly cut. You can barely see it, but it's dark. Grass is freshly cut. Beautiful. I can see the stars. Oh, look at that. I love it. Anyways, guys, comment below. Let me know what you guys think. Living out in a small town. Living the dream.